Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 116 of Building the Batmobile Tumbler, the last in this month's delivery. In this issue, we're putting together the penultimate wheel. I like it when things get close to the end. The Veteran of 1,000 Battles is what we're looking at in this. 2016, part of the extended universe. New Batman appeared on the big screen in the form of Ben Affleck. Yeah, that was alright. Batfleck, he was alright. I still quite like him. So there we go. That's what we got. Then the Joker War Saga. Okay. That's a bit strange. Joker Man Bat Jack Joker Batman Bat Joker. I don't know. So yes, we've got the hubs to fit onto this. This will be the outer wheel, if I'm inner and outer rims of the probably yes, this is the right rear outer wheel. So we'll put that together just like we did last time. 4 screws in there, and that will be put aside until next month when we get the last pack. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this hub together. Indeed, here we go. We've got the big wheel from last time. It doesn't matter which way around it goes. It is the same from one side to the other, so that doesn't matter. So we're going to put that on the inside, on the outside rather. As it is the outside, let's just see. No, it doesn't look like the printing's better in one side or the other, so we'll just go with that side. That will line up on there. Again, it doesn't matter about the little 5 interiors, but I will get that lined up properly. So we've got one next to one. So that will be that one. So if we get that on that way round, you can't see these from the other side anyway, but it's nice to know that it's lined up properly, isn't it? And then I just need 4 of those to get this all lined up and put together. So as ever, get one through, make sure it bites, and then move on to the opposite one. Rather than getting one lined up and it not quite lining up. Nice to get them all in before you tighten the first one down. So that's got in as well. Let's get the third in place down there. And then the last one, being the last one, I can tighten that up as much as I like straight away. So there we go. That is that. That is another wheel completed. Once this is tightened up. Then this can be put aside next to the rest of it for another month till the next pack turns up, and then I can continue doing what we did before. This is basically where we were last time, isn't it? So we'll have another wheel come, and then hubs and stuff. Attach this and the hub to the other wheel. Then I think there's an entire bottom plate that I need that's going to cover over the electronics on the underneath and fixing in the cockpit canopy, and then we'll be done. So for now, that is that. The Batmobile Tumbler is almost completed. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you more for soon. I shall see you soon for more very shortly. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.